Hello everyone, I'm Miss Dina, and welcome to our mathematics lesson on time notation. Time notation helps us describe the exact time of events during the day. In daily life, we often use the 12-hour clock system, which includes AM and PM. Another system used around the world is the 24-hour clock. Both systems help us represent time clearly and accurately. Understanding these systems allows students to read schedules and organize activities.
The 12-hour clock divides the day into two parts of 12 hours each. The first part of the day begins at midnight and continues until midday. The second part continues from midday until midnight again. This system uses numbers 1 to 12 to show the hours. Because the same numbers appear twice in a day, we use extra labels to show the correct time. These labels help us understand whether the time is in the morning or evening.
The term AM is used to describe time from midnight until midday. These hours occur during the early and middle part of the day. For example, 7 a.m. usually represents morning time when people wake up or prepare for school. The letters AM help us understand that the time occurs before midday. This notation prevents confusion when reading time. Understanding AM is important when following daily schedules.
The term PM describes time from midday until midnight, and these hours occur during the afternoon, evening, and night. For example, 7 p.m. usually represents evening time. The letters PM help us understand that the time happens after midday. This system ensures that each time in the 12-hour clock can be identified correctly. Learning this notation helps students recognize time throughout the day.
The 24-hour clock system shows the full day using numbers from 0 to 23 hours. In this system, midnight is written as 0000, and the hours continue until 23:59. Unlike the 12-hour clock, this system does not use AM or PM. Each hour appears only once during the day. The 24-hour clock is commonly used in transport schedules, hospitals, and digital systems. Understanding this system helps students read time in different contexts.
Converting time from the 12-hour clock to the 24-hour clock follows a simple rule. For morning times labeled AM, the numbers usually remain the same. For afternoon or evening times labeled PM, 12 hours are added to the hour. For example, 3 p.m. becomes 1500 in the 24-hour clock. This conversion helps ensure time is written clearly. Understanding this method helps students read different time systems.
Time notation is often used in daily schedules and timetables. School timetables, transportation schedules, and event plans all depend on accurate time notation. For example, a lesson may start at 9 a.m., while a train may depart at 14:30 in 24-hour time. Understanding both systems helps students interpret schedules easily. This skill allows learners to manage time effectively. Clear time notation helps people organize activities throughout the day.
In this lesson, we explored the concept of time notation using 12-hour and 24-hour clocks. We learned how the 12-hour system uses AM and PM to distinguish times of the day. We also discovered how the 24-hour clock represents the entire day using numbers from 0 to 23. Converting between these systems helps students read schedules accurately. Understanding time notation improves time management skills. With practice, students can confidently read and interpret time in different formats.